In this video, I will show you how to restore missing apps on Android, or how to find missing apps, and how to find hidden application or apps using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First, go to your phone's app drawer and search for the app you cannot find. Check if it appears there, as sometimes an app may not be easily noticeable or may be inside another folder, which make it difficult to locate. Here you can see that the app I could not find earlier is now visible. If you still cannot find it, then follow the next method. Method number 1. Go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out Home screen. Tap on it. Tap on Hide apps on Home and Apps screen. Here you will be able to see if any of your apps are hidden. For example, you can see here that this Instagram application of mine is hidden. By clicking on the minus sign, you can move the app back to your phone's app drawer. If your desired application is not showing here, then try the next method. Method number 2. Open Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps or App Manager. Tap on it. Tap on 3 dots. Tap on Reset App Preferences. Tap Reset. Since my phone's screen recording will stop if I click it, I will not do it right now, but you must click it. By clicking here, all your disabled apps will be enabled, and you may also find the missing app. However, keep in mind that clicking this will reset your all application at the same time. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 3. If you still cannot find it after trying all the methods, then go to the Play Store and search for the app. Here you will be able to check either the apps is installed or uninstalled. If it is uninstalled, then install it from here. In my case, an update is available, so I am updating it. Hopefully your problem has been solved. That's it. Thanks for watching.